god, I'm gonna be late. I need clothes.
There you go, cat.
I'm gonna miss you. So late. See you later.
Please observe the fasten seatbelt and no smoking sign. Ladies and gentlemen, as we have built and started descending to Melbourne, please return all cabin baggage to the secured position.
Uber?
How are ya?
Yeah, good. Good to see ya.
Oh, yeah?
Good to see ya.
Oh,
Ah, well,
hang on.
I mean, I could just show it on top.
Put this on the other side.
Nice. Bloody hell. Look at that.
It's so completely different than anything I've painted before.
That's great.
But I'm
It's
loving
really cool. It's like proper, like, old fantasy. Like, it looks like it'd be in a bad, like, B movie with the the eye on the top. Actually, I like the eye better, to be honest, than my original.
I've been getting back into YouTube and, you know, discovering other channels is like miniature art.
Oh,
or
yeah.
miniatures as art, I guess I should say. Because I've just always been involved with, you know, miniatures.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, Games Workshop, playing games, but actually seeing... I'm gonna say weird miniatures, right? Different miniatures.
No, weird is good. Where are we going, Viv?
Pox. That's as much as I know about it. This is your scene, Trent.
Yeah.
I'm here for the discovery.
Yeah, honestly, me too. I'm excited to see your discovery. That's what I'm here
It's so
for.
good, man. It's a whole new world for me, man.
Hello. Good to see you.
How are you?
Good
You
to
good?
see you. Very good.
Yeah?
This is Viv.
Hey man, how are you? Very nice to meet you. Yourself?
So this is from your son?
Yeah, that's right.
Ah,
He's
thank
8
you.
years old.
Treasure. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. He'll be delighted to hear that you've received it.
So at POX, I got to play a new cooperative miniature game called Creature, which is a monster hunting game, except you are the monsters being hunted while hordes of monster slayers chase you. I love making monsters, and that's all I could think about while playing. What monster could I make for this game? I mean, I also thought, like, how cool would it be if the monsters were bigger and the hunters were really small, like epic scale, and then you could have like a big kaiju hunting game. So much potential, especially with these miniature agnostic games. Then I was presented with some of my own miniatures, beautifully painted, which is a really magic feeling.
I use the reverse mold to make heads for these tourists.
Oh, that's mad.
There were incredible models and tables on display left and right. I've come back inspired, and next year I kind of want to run my own little narrative event as a chance to put big weird things on the table just like these. My Kit Bash boxes got a lot of use. But somehow, when I took them back, there were even more bits in them. So it looks like they'll have to travel with me to another event.
That could have been.
Just about as accurate as a flintlock too.
I got to meet the incredible Grombat mob and gift them a miniature that I painted of theirs. I also got a tour of their sculpting toolbox, which got my brain ticking on making something like that for myself.
I actually sculpted this on the plane. Let me get him out.
You sculpted it on the plane.
This guy was wired on the way to Pox. Yeah. So he's going to continue yelling.
I won. Yes. My first game of Mordheim since I rage quit
When was that? How long ago was that?
when I was a small boy. I don't know, 2016 or something.
Then a game of Trench Tonks was taking place, a mixture of Trench Crusade and Tonks. But Tonk deaths were permadeath, and if your Tonk was destroyed, it was also destroyed in real life. This Tonk from Finn was kit bashed from one of my models, the Permadeath Tank, from this very vlog series. I was rooting for their success, obviously, but also how fitting would it be if this model, of all models, had to be destroyed by the blow of a hammer.
Made
And,
junk back
well,
to junk.
It was. Seeing these tonks get shattered into pieces was awesome, and it took me all the way back to playing Meat Grinder, where I also had to destroy
Great.
a miniature when it died.
Satisfied.
That was one of the few moments of my hobby I wish I could relive, so it was really awesome getting to see other people do it too.
You'll live on as a wrecked tank battlefield.
What are you reading, Viv?
What's it called? Untitled Pirate Game by Stuart De Silva. It's got some amazing artwork in here, man, and I got to this page that says spells and I want a pirate wizard. But it's got amazing artwork in it, man. It's so good. And I love the cover, right? You know, it's just art, man.
Viv, I need an outro to my video.
What do you mean you need an outro? Freaking finish it and upload it, man. I can't wait forever.